Call history and call statistics. Let's start with call history. When you make phone calls, all the calls are automatically logged in the call history. You can see the time you called them, the status of the lead, the contact or business information, the city. Here's the phone number you dialed, the duration of the call, and more importantly, the call outcome. If you need to export this list, click Export button, and it appears in Excel, right here. Click here, back to top. By default, the list is sorted by time, but you can also sort it by business, by city, by duration. So here we have the short calls first, and here the long calls first. When you click on a call, it'll automatically go to that lead. Mary Brooks, today at 10:50 a.m., right here. If you click Info, you can see the call statistics of that day. 89 calls, 3 hours and 50 minutes on the phone. The interesting part is we can filter those calls. So for example, show me all the calls where it rang, busy, didn't connect, or went to voicemail. 47 leads, 52 calls. Now how are you going to find these leads if you don't have this software? Well, with the goyaPhone, you press look to phone, you found them, and now they're ready to dial. You can see here on the lead selector, 47 leads, dial today. We selected all the statuses, ring, busy, bad, voicemail. And that's how call history works. If you need to change the date, you click here, for example, see the calls with the 22nd. If you want to change month, and you can see March 1st, right here. Same thing, info, and filter. Now for the call statistics, you get to see all the work you've done in just one glance. For example, here, you can see that on the 11th, you've made 77 calls, 21 prospecting calls, 20 sales calls, 21 emails, and here are the statuses. You get 2 goals that day. If you need to export that list, click Export. It's in Excel, and you can share it. Click here, back to top. You click here, you get a monthly overview. April 2016, you made 1,213 calls, spent 50 hours on the phone, and here's the details. If you want to see another month, you click here, and you see March. When you click on a row, you go to the call history of that day, March 1st. This is call history, call statistics. Thank you very much.